Kama mambo kama Elda amefanya basi.
Hata mpodo
Hii ni hadudu ya?
Yeah.
Sasa si namna hiyo. Namna hiyo. Now this is my fifth one.
Kuna finya kwanza.
linden tree.
Massage.
Good. I'll take the spade.
So I named this one Oloolua Forest.
I'm going to name my tree after Juliet and call it Gavesha.
And we're very honored today to launch our Nature.Go Carton campaign, and in partnership with Oloolua Forest family. And here we are looking at planting 1 million trees and to restore the forest cover in this region. And this is in line with our brand motto, which is protecting what's good. And here we're looking at restoring the forest cover because plants and nature is what our business heavily relies on. So we are very grateful for the support that we have received from the government, from the Oloolua Forest management, and we're looking to having a successful campaign and a successful next few years where we restore the forest cover. So as at now, you know, when you're starting off something, you start off in your vicinity. So we have started with Oloolua, and with the hopes of now increasing to other areas. But as at now, we are working with Oloolua as we look at other areas as well.
We've seen their degraded sites within Oloolua Forest, and as corporates, Tetra Pak is coming on board to ensure that they work closely with government agencies like Kenya Forest Service, NEMA, CFS and Friends of Oloolua to ensure that we protect and enhance the quality of Oloolua Forest. I think that is why we are here, and we are happy to be part of this campaign of Tetra Pak to ensure that they do 1 million trees to save Oloolua Forest. I think for this year they have undertaken the legal environment and social impact assessment, where they've flagged out potential impacts, and within the report I think they've produced robust mitigation measures to be able to address the impacts, and also appropriate monitoring plan that has been developed, working closely with also the local communities to ensure that the project does not impact negatively on the Oloolua Forest.